little frog sat on a log, eating some bugs by the old green bog. One jumped off with a big kerplop. Now there are four on the log non-stop. Four little frogs in the morning sun, croaking so loud and having fun. One leaped high and gave a hop. Now there are three on the log non-stop. Jump, little froggies, leap away, splash in the water and play all day. Croak a tune and sing along, five little frogs in a jumping song. Three little frogs with a cheeky grin wiggled and jiggled their froggy chins. One did a flip and made a drop. Now there are two on the log non-stop. Two little frogs with their eyes so wide, one took a dive to the water's side. Splish, splash, splush with the belly flop. Now there's one on the log non-stop. One little frog sat all alone. He missed his friends in the splashy zone, so he hopped into with a giant plop. Now no frogs left on the log non-stop.